Hello, I'm Jay, owner of Volunteer Audio in Oliver Springs, Tennessee, and I'm making a quick video to show you how to get the best sound from your sound system by properly adjusting your smartphone. Now, whether this be your factory radio in your new Harley, or maybe it's in your car or truck, or you've bought one of our awesome plug-and-play amp and speaker packages, you want to get the best sound, you got to make sure your phone is set up the right way. And so many of you had no idea your phone was set wrong, but after software updates or even buying new phones, if you don't go in and manually check these settings, they're probably set up where you're not getting great sound. So on an Apple phone and an Android phone, it's a little different. I have an Apple phone in my hand. I'll talk about that, and I'll talk about the Android at the end. But let me tell you about some settings that most people don't know that are in their smartphone. All right, so all I want you to do is take your phone and get to your home page and select your settings menu. When you're in settings, I want you to scroll down. Normally it's the second group of apps. You'll see one that says music. So this is the Apple Music app. I'm going to stop here because if you've deleted the Apple Music app off your phone, you need to put it back on your phone. That's what controls all the sound in there, and you can't get to that EQ or make those adjustments without it. So we're going to select our Apple Music app, and we're going to scroll down, and we're going to see this section that says audio. Now this is important. We want to make sure that our audio quality is very high quality that's streaming, but the important things are the EQ and sound check. So EQ, anytime you turn on an EQ in your phone, what it does is it turns down whatever you didn't want as much of. So if you select an extra bass EQ, it's going to turn down the mid and the treble, and overall your volume is not going to be as loud. Also, when you look at sound check, this is a very confusing thing that most people don't know what it is. It is going to take all of your music and it's going to see your quietest song and it's going to bring down all of your loud songs to that level. So if you got a big playlist or a lot of albums and artists in your phone, this is probably going to make an even bigger difference. But we want to turn sound check off. That's going to give us our maximum output on Bluetooth or Apple CarPlay, which is going to give us more volume and a better sound out of our system. Now it's a little different on you Android users. I want you to go to your settings menu, scroll down from the top right. I want you to search inside the settings for the word equalizer. Now, most time when I do this, I spell it out E-Q-U-A-L-I-Z-E-R, and it says there's no results, but if you'll wait about 5 to 10 seconds, it'll pop up equalizer. It'll take you to the sound section in your phone, and from there, I want you to turn off any factory equalizer that's been turned on in your phone. So it doesn't matter if you have a Samsung or if you've got an LG phone or Google phone, whatever it is, go in there in the settings, turn off any factory EQs in the phone to off or to normal. Now, the next thing that's important, if you have Spotify or Pandora or whatever app you're using, go into the settings menu of that app and see if there's an EQ there also. If there is, if you want maximum volume, you need to turn that equalizer off as well. Now, these are little tips and tricks that I know if you try are going to make a huge difference in the sound of your system. So, if you've done this and after you've done it, and it's made a big difference, I want you to comment below and let us know how much louder it was when you turned off sound check in your Apple phone or your EQ in your Android phone. All right, thank you for watching. If you have more questions, more comments, leave them below. If you want to know the latest in motorcycle audio from Volunteer Audio, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You'll get to learn about products as they come out, how to install them, how to use them, and sometimes tips on just how to use what you already have and make it even better. Like this video and share it with your friends. This makes a huge difference, and a lot of people don't know about it, so help us get the word out and allow people to have a better audio experience. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to upgrade your audio system to one of our amazing plug-and-play packages, check out volunteeraudio.com. You can also call us if you need help finding the right package at 1-844-30-AUDIO. Thank you for watching, and as always, God bless.